how to change your Facebook cover photo without notification or without posting it. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your Facebook cover photo without posting it. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Facebook app, and now make sure you are logged into your Facebook. And now once you're on your account, go to your profile and now tap on your cover photo. After that, tap on upload photo, and now it will show you all of your photos on your gallery. So simply choose the one which you want to change your cover photo. And now once you've done that, it will show you a preview of your cover photo and your profile picture. So in order to change it without posting, all you have to do is untick on the bottom side where it says share your update to newsfeed. And now once you tap save, you will have successfully changed your Facebook cover photo without posting it or without notifying anyone. So that was basically it. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.